Wow, that's American Silli, the chai wala glass. It was the most preferred glass of its time. The glass did not shatter even when hot scalding tea were poured into it. And the demand for this glass started to go down during COVID. The need for constant washing, high breakage, and salary of the delivery and the collection boy added to the fact as to why industry is dying today. Waste clear glass, colorless glass is used. It is mixed with sand and mica, and then it is pushed onto this hopper or the conveyor that moves the glass to the drum. This drum keeps rotating, and in this drum from the other side sand and mica are also added. From this it is now mixed here, poured into this final hopper or the conveyor, and it goes to the furnace. This furnace has a temperature of 1500 degree to 1700 degree centigrade. The glass is melted, mica and sand along with it. From here the molten glass is now moved on to this machine which cuts the glass into blobs, and this hot molten glass is now cut into equal sized blobs. These blobs fall into this pipe-like structure from where they are directed to the dies. I'll just show you the die. This is the die now. The temperature now is approximately 650 degree. The glass cools rapidly and the die here strikes the final shape to the glass. And as it goes on, the temperature keeps on dropping. And the beauty is that as the temperature drops, the glass comes out all by itself from the die. From here, the glass is now rapidly cooled, moved on to another conveyor. Now this particular conveyor now takes the glass to another furnace. Now this process is known as tempering. The glass is tempered to do this brittleness and to ensure that it does not crack. Now the glass is allowed to cool here, and this cooled glass is again taken into another hopper. This conveyor now takes the glass and is chill blasted or cooled under high pressure. From here again it is cooled, and finally the glass is ready. It is packed to be shipped to the markets. So that's how this glass reaches the chai walas and into your hand with the chai. But as I said, this is a dying industry. Dying industry because of high costs. Thanks for watching. Bye. Have a nice time.